Welcome to Learn with MANS. Let's understand. So very simple. We have the entire yard process. We created one custom transportable unit or transportation unit or truck, okay, to carry the delivery outbound or inbound. And then after creating the deliveries, how we link with the delivery with the custom truck which we created, and how we process manually. So in this session I explain you how we process manually. Here I will explain you how we process this automatically by the help of post-processing framework. Because post-processing framework contains, as we know, methods, action definitions, okay, some kind of standard forms, and more business logics inside them. So let's see how we perform this automatically. Vehicle creation, custom truck creation, because trucks needs to move inside the yard premises. Then after, how we link custom truck with our delivery, because when we link the custom truck with our delivery, then system will come to know, okay, this is a custom truck, this is the delivery, inbound or outbound needs to be triggered together to be processed together. So now we are going to understand automatically process. Okay, so first, while creating inbound or outbound deliveries in the ERP layer, so first we create the inbound delivery into the ERP layer, we create the purchase order, ERP layer inbound delivery, we process it into the EWM layer through the /n/SCWM/PRDI. So while creating inbound or outbound delivery in the ERP layer, then we need to input the packaging material and packaging material type. If you see this truck, if you see on this truck carefully, what does this look like? We know this is the transportation unit, transportable unit. We know this is the vehicle. We know this is the truck. This is one kind of packaging material, because if we have any container on truck, this is the packaging material type and packaging material. Okay, suppose in this truck TU vehicle, in this truck we have multiple boxes, handling unit stays in, we have the multiple handling units inside these trucks, multiple handling units, okay, deliveries in this delivery. So these are the one kind of packaging material or packaging material type. That's why we have to, while we create the inbound or outbound delivery in the ERP layer, then we need to input the packaging material and packaging material type. This is a demonstration, a small demonstration. If you're looking for real time, full configuration, consultation, training, consulting, supports, career guidance, please get back to me, guys. Second point, in the ERP layer, inbound outbound delivery will be distributed to the EWM layer from the ERP layer, and then system will create the vehicle and TU and then assign the TU vehicle to the inbound or outbound delivery. We need to link. We need to tell to system, this is my custom truck, Z truck, ZTU, YTU, this is my truck, this is our inbound delivery, because in the system we have hundreds of suppose inbound delivery. How system will come to know this specific custom truck? Suppose we have in the system, for an example, 200 inbound delivery. For an example, we have more than actually, or we may have more than. This is for a small example. We have 200 inbound delivery. We have 200, 300 outbound delivery. We have 200, 300 trucks, custom trucks. How system will come to know a specific transportation unit or truck will be processed with this particular inbound or outbound delivery? We need to tell to system. When we create the delivery, we need to linkage, we need to speak with the system. Hey system, this is my delivery, this is my truck, I want to process this through the yard management, through the post-processing framework, through the automatically. Okay, so ERP layer inbound delivery will be distributed to the EWM, and then system will create the vehicle and TU. Then assign the TU or vehicle to the inbound outbound deliveries, and here we have the PPF help to trigger this post-processing in the EWM for inbound delivery. We have the T code /n SCWM PRDI. For outbound we have the T code /n SCWM for PRDU. Okay, you may check more videos on social media, different social media platforms. I am from the Learn with MANS. Okay. Third point, checking the TU or vehicle, activation of the TU vehicle. If you create the TU, you assign to the delivery, it will not work. You must activate the TU. So you must trigger activation when the TU, transportable unit, truck, packaging material type, packaging type C, or lorry, when you do the activate, then that will be ready to move with the delivery or with inside the yard premises. Okay. So checking the TU or vehicle, activation of the TU vehicle, we have the T code CICO/N SCWM/CICO means check-in, check-out, or /N SCWM/TU means transportation unit, vehicle, transportable unit, transportation unit. Fourth point, yard, because my truck is going to move inside the yard, yard plus TU plus vehicle or TU movements, checkpoint to door. Okay, same process, but this happens in a automatically. Then checkpoint to the parking zone area means, let's talk about inbound side. Truck came, security got checked, vehicle number, everything, delivery will be checked. Now truck, it's the person will know already the process is going on, all the doors are occupied, so truck should go to the parking area, inbound side parking area for waiting purposes. When the door will be available, then from the truck, driver will get an instructions, then truck will move from inbound side parking zone to warehouse to be docked to perform the unloading process. So this is the fourth point. Then one truck will be docked for inbound delivery. The door number is the 9030, 0001, door 1, door 2, door 3, door 4, door 5. Name could be any. Okay, zone 1, door 2, zone, any name. Okay, DR1, DR2, like four character or digits mix. Door 1, door 2, door 3, door 4. Okay, ZD01, ZD02, ZD. It depends upon the naming convention. Okay, how we do the configuration. Unload the product from TU or vehicle. Then yard movement of the TU vehicle from door to checkpoint. Again, by checkpoint. After unloading, the truck needs to leave the yard premises. So that's why we have this. Departure the TU or vehicle from the yard. Okay. So this is the brief demonstration class, my dear friends. If you're looking for training, consultation, okay, if you're looking for supports, career guidance, full configurations into the EWM, basic, okay, little advanced, more advanced, top advanced, integration, EWM app, please get back to me, or debugging. So this is the demonstration. Thank you very much, guys. See you once again.